how to fix WhatsApp stuck on connecting problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp stuck on connecting problem, and if the messages are not sending, calls are not going through, or the app just won't sync, then don't worry. Here's a quick step-by-step fix that actually works on Android. So the first step is to check the internet connection. This is the most common cause. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try toggling airplane mode on and off, or open up your Chrome or YouTube and confirm the connection. If you can't browse the web, WhatsApp won't connect either. So the second step is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary network glitches. Just power off your phone, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it back on. The third step is to check the background data settings. WhatsApp needs background data to stay connected. Go to the settings and then scroll down. You'll find apps, tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to search for WhatsApp. And here you will find mobile data and Wi-Fi. You need to turn on the background data and unrestricted data usage. The fourth step is to turn off your battery saver or optimization. Battery saver modes can block WhatsApp's connection in the background. So go to the settings and battery and then turn off your battery saver, or you can just simply go with the control center, and here also you can just simply go and turn off your low power mode or battery saver. So turn it off. Also, you can check app permissions. Make sure WhatsApp has the right permissions. To do that, you can just tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and then go with the app info. And here you will have permissions. Tap on permissions and then you will have all of these permissions right here. So make sure that you're allowed all of the permissions that WhatsApp needs to function properly. Make sure the network, Wi-Fi, and data access are all allowed. And you need to update the WhatsApp at last. So open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search. And under search, you need to search for WhatsApp Messenger. And once you've searched, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you need to just go and update it. Once you updated your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.